Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you some lenses that I received from Olens.com. These lenses are, I believe they're like the BlackPink collection. So if you know that music group, they're the ones who kind of inspired this collection. And this is the Scandi collection. So the color I'll be showing you today is called Aqua. So looking on their website, these retail for $29 and they are monthly lenses. I really do like the boxes. They're really cute. They're holographic. They're really nice looking. And as usual, Olens prescriptions go from a 0 all the way up to a -8, with a 0 being no prescription at all. So if you have 20/20 vision, you should be choosing 0. And like usual with Olens contacts, you get two lenses per box. I will put all like the things like the graphic diameter, regular diameter, all that on the screen. And these come in quite a few shades, and I do have a couple of them that I will show you later on. But yeah, Scandi Aqua, 1 month. And what it says as the description on the website is that it's the true tone and real blue of yours, the unbeatable, best natural, realistic color contact lens, Scandi Aqua, is a new version of the Real Iris contact lenses. Keep your natural eye styling with no edge line and adding more realistic by Blendable Shade. Reading that out loud, it just sounds like it's missing words, but I guess. So yeah, that is all the information I could find on these lenses, and I have had these lenses for a while. And I did previously make a video, but I wasn't too happy with like what I filmed, so I didn't ever put it out. But I have not used these lenses, so I'm just not opening this box. And if you're curious, the contact lenses that I have in right now are from Top's Face, and they are Daisy Chocolate, which is like it's like a pinky chocolate color, and they're actually really pretty. So check out that. And these lenses do come in the foil packs with all the information, the name of the lenses, the color, and all that jazz on it. So like usual, I'm just gonna take these out and then we'll start putting these in. And my natural eye color is a dark brown color. So yeah. Struggling with this foil pack once again. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can show you how these look. They are very blue. I don't know if you can see that, but they are really blue. And it's like the outer portion is blue, and then it's like right where it touches. Ah, that is different. That is so different. Let me see if I can show you without messing up this contact lens. I can't really show you, but it's like the outer lens is just clear, and all of the graphic design is, like it said, right in the center of your iris. So they did say it's a rimless lens, and it definitely is. And this is my first time seeing this, so. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That is bold. So this is the Scandi Aqua, and this is my natural eye color. And these are bold. Really bold. Let me put another one. And please excuse my makeup. I've been trying on lenses, and I know it's probably messed up. Yeah, Olens, their lenses are always flipped inside out, but it's pretty easy to tell when they are. Somebody's dog is going psycho outside. I don't know if y'all can hear it. But oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And later when I show you in natural lighting, you can really see how blendable these lenses are. They're super blendable. I like this. They did it. They did their thing. So yeah. So this is how they are looking under natural, well, my video lights. And next I'm gonna show you how these lenses look in natural lighting. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. These lenses are beautiful. Do y'all see that blend? Like, I don't know if you can tell but the outer edge of my eye, that is actually clear. So it kind of looks like it gives you a limbal ring that blends so nicely, but that's not the graphic design that's right there. That's my actual iris. And then the inside, I love how they put that pop of yellow, so it just blends so nicely with brown. Oh my gosh. And these are giving me that window effect where your eyes are like sparkling and it's like they're glass and you can see through them. And I haven't said that in a while, so y'all, these are really pretty. So I'm back, and that was how the lenses were looking in natural lighting. These lenses, the graphic design it's amazing. It's amazing. And I didn't think I would like this color because they were so vibrant in the packaging, but I really do like the way they blend. Like Olens usually has, their contacts are very comfortable. They're very light. They're not heavy. You don't feel them in your eye. The graphic design doesn't intrude upon your view sight, like your vision. They're crystal clear. I don't have any haziness. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. They're great. So and as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment box below. I try my best to answer those questions and, you know, to read them and answer them. But like always, I will put the information, specifications of these lenses either somewhere in this video and also in the description box below. So if I do not put it in the video, be sure to check out the description box because it will most likely be down there, all the information. So yeah, as always, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.